Okay, in this video what we've got is a Clarke hydraulic jack. It's a 2-ton jack. It's basically a small car jack. What's happened is I think it's run out of oil. That and it's been used so many times on so many DIY jobs that it needs its oil replacing. It won't go up as high as it usually does, and it's not holding. So what we're going to do is just drain the oil out of this and refill it with new jack oil, see if that solves the problem, or see if we have to sort of go a little bit deeper. Hopefully not, but we'll find out. So I'm just going to start by removing the little drain plug. It's also the fill plug as well. I've got one of them kids' toy baths. I'm just using as a cleaner. You may have seen it in other videos. But I'm just going to drain the oil out in this. Just going to let it sit there and drain. See how much comes out. And more importantly, see how much it takes to go put back in. Okay, we can sort of see how much has come out, and the sort of colour of it, obviously not good, so I'm just going to put a little slosh in there, going to pump it a few times, drain that out, and then fill it back up with oil, just to sort of give it a little bit of a flush through. I haven't actually got anything like a small funnel or anything. I don't even have my usual go-to, which would be like a little plastic bottle. Normally, I mean, this one plastic bottle wouldn't fit anyways, but I haven't even got any plastic bottles I could cut up and make into a funnel. So what I've done is I've just grabbed a bit of paper and I'm having to use that. Just filling it a little bit now. I've already flushed it through, did that off camera. Just filling it up now, giving it a few pump throughs while it's released, and then I'm going to then I'm going to tighten it back up, pump it a few times, release it, and so on and so forth. But I'm just making sure I've got enough in there, and you're supposed to have enough in just so it sort of starts overflowing a little bit, and by the time you put the bung back in, that should be all good. I've also given it a few pumps with the bung in, but with the pressure, with the screw undone, and I'm just trying to get as much air out of it as I can, and just gonna pump that up to test it, make sure it goes up all the way. But the real test is whether it can still lift a car and not start slowly going down. So it looks like it's gone up all the way, that's good. Just going to release that. I'm going to try and put some pressure on it first. But yeah, I'm not going to be able to put the sort of pressure on it that it needs, so... Yeah, and it goes down fine as well. Doesn't seem to be any leakage either, which is good. So, I'd say that's the job done. Won't really know until I've actually tested it, so I'll get round to testing it on... Well, I'll jack my car up and I'll see if it can handle it. If not, then, well, my car's either going to come down quickly or slowly, one or the other. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Have a great day.